Welcome, farmers, to your exciting channel, Oshago TV. Here, we take farming one on one. And in this our particular case, we're talking about avocado farming, um, which we have premiered on. And for quite some time, we've talked about crop management, farm management, everything that has to be done while farming avocados. But on this particular case, we're talking about raising beds. And there's a time some few months ago we had the exercise of raising beds in our farm. And as you can see, on what we did, from what we did on raising the beds, we have utilized that place to plant cover crops. And in this case, we have planted beans. It is essential for you to know that you cannot survive on one type of plant alone. In this case, we decided to plant beans, which are short-term crops. And in this case, beans helps in fixing nitrogen in the soil, so making your plants and your soil fertile. As you can see, we are also making the arable place easy for till, controlling of weeds. We've made it easy, and it is easy to tell how far we've gone in respect to managing our trees. For avoidance of doubt, um, our crops are very young. Right now, we are 2 years and 8 months old. We are yet to hit 3 years. And as you can see, uh, our crops are doing quite well. Um, we have fruits on our trees. We have very young fruits. Uh, Fruits of different sizes. But what is important is that we have managed to control the weed that would have rendered our place hostile for our avocado trees. So here we are. Our trees are still young, but they're doing very well. So one importance of raising bed is that you really take charge of your farm, and especially during this rainy season like what we have right now. It is easy and simple to control water in your farm. So what happens is that when it rains, we have water which fills all these trenches, and in that case we control what the plants have to take. Remember that our avocado trees doesn't like, or they don't need a lot of water. They don't do well in places where we have um, we have a lot of water, because they bring along uh, root rots to the plant. So in due time, when you allow a lot of water to flood into your plants, you might lose your plants, because they will bring about root rot in your avocado plants. So here we are from different angles. All those are beans.